artificial intelligence will become India's next economic superpower. Come read with me. This news article says that artificial intelligence could add more than $500 billion to India's economy by 2030. And what does this mean? Imagine AI as a super smart digital assistant that can analyze huge amounts of data, automate boring tasks, help doctors diagnose a disease, improve farming, detect frauds in banks, and make businesses faster and smarter. Because of this, AI can help India grow economically much faster. What do the reports say? According to an IBM India and Ind AI report, positive signs like 80% business leaders believe AI investments will directly help India's GDP growth. 73% executives think India can become a leading AI nation by 2030. Why is India seen as strong? Because India already has strong IT service industries, huge digital public infrastructure like Aadhaar, UPI, DigiLocker, digital payments ecosystem. These systems create a strong base for AI adoption, but there are problems too. Even though India is optimistic, actual AI adoption is still weak. Number one, main barriers which are there. Number one is pilot trap. Now, only 15% of the companies are using AI at a large scale. Around 85% are stuck in testing or pilot stage, meaning many companies are experimenting but not fully implementing AI. Second, infrastructural gap. Around 77% respondents say lack of secure cloud infrastructure is a major challenge. This means India needs data centers, cybersecurity, cloud computing systems. Third, skill gap. Only 30% employees have enough skills for AI literacy. By 2030, this needs to rise at least to 57%. This means India needs millions of workers trained in coding, machine learning, data analysis, AI ethics. Now, why AI matters globally? Because countries like USA, China, European nations are already racing to dominate AI, because AI is considered the next big revolution after industrial revolution and internet revolution. Countries leading in AI may gain economic power, military advantage, and technological dominance. So India doesn't want to miss this race. India can become AI hub because of large youth population, digital infrastructure, startup ecosystem, engineering talent, but success depends on skilling workforce, investing in infrastructure, building trusted AI systems. Now this becomes highly important for GS paper 3, science and technology, GS paper 2, governance, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.